My name is Jake Roh. I work in plastic sustainability. The simplistic design as far as on the graphics, but also just the feel of it has that it's, being environmentally conscious. This is great touch. Cloth. That was very unexpected for it to be in cloth. Actually made it much easier. One thing I do like is these accents that you have here as far as that are like packaging coverage. The fact that they have the kind of paper look and or feel I like, and I've always thought the, a little bit of the Apple approach of kind of this tab that peels off. I like that.
And have you noticed a lot of plastic so far?
I've noticed what seems to be zero. It's simplistic too, like as far as you have two pieces and that's it. You're looking at a true sustainability standpoint. At the end of the day, that's less material and it's paper that we know can be recycled or composted. I mean, if you look at it here, you have this and there's a bottom piece. Like that's a lot less than what I've seen in most packaging. It makes me feel very good and positive about making the right type of purchase. If this was the one that I was bringing into my home, it would make me feel like I'm consuming less. I know that once this gets thrown into the trash, it's gonna make it to the places it needs to versus just going to the landfill. One thing that I noticed is just the cable itself, the design on it. And usually those are made out of like I believe it's a polyurethane or maybe like a TPE normally that's coated in it. The fact that it has more of a kind of cloth outer to it. On just the design of it, I mean, one, you have no plastics in the packaging outside of the tape. From an overall perspective, that's about as good as you can get. Overall, it's Bruvi doing exactly what it says it does because I'm in the industry and so I notice these things. There's an aspect where I know the effort that goes behind designing that and that it actually is much more than just taking the standard plastic packaging that has been very easy to use from a waste standpoint. Eliminating that honestly gives me a feeling of a higher level of premium. The machine itself having aspects to it where it's very modern. It almost feels a little bit, it's like the Apple of
coffee machines.
Yeah, exactly.